If you want to use your Joy-Cons as two separate controllers on Nintendo Switch 2, then first of all we need to detach them from the console, and then what you need to do is go to controllers over here. Let's open in controllers and then go to change grip/order. Now over here we need to choose the first controller, so the Joy-Con that will be used as the main one, as the first one. And we need to press these two buttons over here. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one, this left Joy-Con, press both these buttons at the same time, and they should be detected over here. And besides that, we need to do the same thing with the other one. So just press these two buttons here, and they should be, the Joy-Con should be detected over here. After that, you should be able to just use one Joy-Con in order to navigate on the console. Remember to use it like this, so this is the correct position of the controller once we use these two buttons. And we can just go back by using this button here, as you can see on the legend over here. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.